Welcome to my Leetcode solving session. This problem is called the peak index in a mountain array. So mountain array means the array will start increasing, strictly increasing, and after that you will start decreasing, and there must exist some I. So you are guaranteed that somebody give you an array which you to be the mountain. Basically, we have a video basically show that how to test whether given array is a mountain array is basically a linear scheme. But in this problem, what we need to know is that what is the indices. So return the peak indices. So for example, in this case, array is 0, 1, 0, then we should return the index 1 because 1 is the peak. And array 2, what we need to return is the 2. And array 3, what we need to use 1, and then this is just 2. So basically, if you see the example, you can see that basically it's the maximum. It's the maximum. It's the maximum of the array. Okay, so you have many ways to solve it. And so the first way, okay, so the first so the first way I want to solve it is basically the linear scheme. We start from if we calculate the length, and I start from 0 and increase. So if I found something object which is already larger than the previous one, the next one, that means we already get this I. So you see, this is the condition. So this is the first I, such that this happen is the peak indices. So if ARI larger than ARI plus 1, then we just return I. Else I just start to plus 1. I just plus 1. Okay, so this is the linear scan, linear time order. So, whoa, it's very fast. Okay. Okay, another way I want to solve is basically use the so-called binary search. So I guess everyone knows about binary search. Basically, we start from lower and higher indexes. So lower start from 0, higher indexes start from length array minus 1, length array minus 1. So basically, you can the first indices is on the leftmost, the high indices is at the rightmost. So when low indices less than high indices, we calculate the middle indices. So this is the standard binary search. Okay, and if the ARR the middle will less than the middle plus 1, that means we are still at the increasing part. So we just let LO to be the mid plus 1, LO to be the mid plus 1. Else, then we just change our heights from rightmost to the middle Then finally they will coincident together. So finally we just return the lower indices. In principle, this will take much faster because you only take log n. Oh, what's going on? Sorry, I should this. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next channel and next video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.